Imagine a fighter jet so smart, it doesn't just follow orders, it thinks, predicts, and acts faster than any human pilot ever could. This isn't science fiction. This is reality, and it's happening right now. Welcome to the era of high-powered jets that are about to completely dominate the skies. The skies as we know them are about to change forever. In the next few minutes, I'm going to take you inside the most advanced AI fighter jet programs on the planet. We're talking aircraft that can learn, adapt, and make decisions in milliseconds, leaving traditional jets and pilots struggling to keep up. By the end of this video, you'll understand why these machines are the future of air warfare, and why the rules of combat will never be the same again. Artificial intelligence has been transforming our world for years, from self-driving cars to smart assistants in our homes. But now, it's taking to the skies. Modern high-powered jets combine the speed, precision, and raw power of advanced aircraft with machine learning algorithms that allow them to make real-time decisions in combat situations that would overwhelm any human pilot. Imagine this. A jet is flying at Mach 3, enemy missiles are incoming, and the human pilot has less than a second to react. Most would freeze or make a wrong move. But an AI-powered jet, it calculates thousands of scenarios in the blink of an eye, predicting the enemy's next move and countering it instantly. These jets are not just fast, they are smarter than any human in aerial combat, and the consequences of that intelligence are staggering. We're talking about aircraft that can fly fully autonomously, coordinate with other AI jets in swarms, and even make life or death decisions without human input. What sets these AI-powered jets apart isn't just the software. It has the design. Engineers are building aircraft that are extremely stealthy, hyper-maneuverable, and capable of surviving extreme conditions. Many of these jets have adaptive aerodynamics, meaning their shape can change mid-flight to maximize speed, fuel efficiency, and agility. Some of the prototypes we've seen feature morphing wings and advanced materials that absorb radar, making them almost invisible to enemy sensors. Combine this with AI-driven flight control systems, and you have an aircraft that can outmaneuver any conventional fighter jet with ease. And because AI never tires, it can sustain extreme maneuvers that would normally push a human pilot past the limits of endurance. The real game changer is in the brain of the jet, the AI itself. Modern combat AI uses a combination of deep learning, reinforcement learning, and predictive analytics. This allows the jet to learn from every engagement. Every mission improves its performance. Every encounter with an enemy fighter, every missile launched, every evasive maneuver is stored and analyzed, making the AI smarter for the next battle. Some programs are experimenting with swarm tactics. Picture a group of AI jets communicating in real time, each one sharing sensor data with the others. One jet spots a threat. The information is instantly shared across the swarm, and they react as a coordinated unit, like a hive of unstoppable predators. Human pilots simply cannot compete with that level of coordination and speed. And it's not just air-to-air combat. AI can optimize air-to-ground attacks, electronic warfare, and reconnaissance missions. It can decide the best time to strike, the safest route to take, and even which targets to prioritize, all without waiting for human approval. The development of high-powered jets is no longer a secret. Leading military powers are investing billions into this technology. The United States, China, Russia, and several European nations are racing to create the ultimate AI fighter jet. Whoever achieves mastery over AI-driven combat aircraft could dominate the skies. For decades, the United States has been working on programs like Skyborg and the Loyal Wingman project. These are AI-driven jets designed to fly alongside human pilots, but eventually, the goal is fully autonomous operation. China is developing its own fleet of AI fighters capable of swarm operations, while Russia is experimenting with AI-guided drones that can operate independently or in coordination with manned aircraft. The implications are staggering. Traditional air superiority, once determined by pilot skill and jet performance, will now depend on the strength of AI algorithms. Entire strategies and doctrines will have to be rewritten. Countries that fail to adapt could find themselves completely outmatched in future conflicts. Despite the rise of AI, humans are not completely out of the picture. For now, Most programs focus on human-AI collaboration. Pilots can control the AI like a co-pilot, letting the jet handle complex maneuvers and threat assessments, while the human makes high-level strategic decisions. This combination of human intuition and machine precision is currently the most effective approach. But the trajectory is clear. Fully autonomous combat aircraft are coming. And when they arrive, the role of the human pilot will shift from controlling the jet to overseeing a fleet of AI aircraft from a distance. We are entering an era where wars might be fought more by algorithms than by humans in the cockpit. With great power comes great responsibility. AI-powered jets raise serious ethical and strategic questions. Should machines be allowed to make decisions about life and death in combat? How do you prevent an AI from making a catastrophic mistake or being hacked by enemy forces? These are questions military leaders around the world are struggling to answer. Some experts warn that once autonomous AI jets are deployed, the risk of accidental escalation in conflicts could increase dramatically. Imagine a scenario where two AI jets misinterpret each other's actions. It could trigger a real-world war in minutes. Balancing the power of AI with human oversight is going to be one of the biggest challenges of modern warfare. So what does the future hold? Imagine skies filled with AI-powered jets, flying in coordinated swarms, detecting and neutralizing threats with superhuman speed. Human pilots will no longer dominate dogfights. Instead, they may oversee entire fleets of intelligent machines from a control center hundreds of miles away. These AI fighters will redefine air strategy. Stealth, maneuverability, and raw firepower will matter. But the true advantage will come from superior algorithms, faster decision-making, and predictive intelligence. Countries that master this technology will have unmatched air dominance, while those who lag behind will struggle to defend their skies. The implications go beyond warfare. AI-powered jets could transform reconnaissance, search and rescue missions, disaster response, and even space operations. The technology we're developing for combat could soon find its way into civilian applications, making air travel safer, faster, and more efficient. The AI-powered jet is not just an aircraft. It has the beginning of a revolution in aerial warfare. It represents the fusion of human innovation and machine intelligence, capable of executing missions that were once impossible. The skies will never be the same again, and the rules of combat are about to be rewritten forever. Soon, the question won't be who has the best pilots. It will be who has the smartest machines. And in this new era of air power, intelligence, speed, and adaptability are everything. So next time you look up at the sky, remember this: the future of aviation is not just human, it's AI, and it's coming faster than anyone expected. If you're as fascinated by AI and next-gen jets as I am, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. You don't want to miss our deep dives into the machines that are changing the world.